If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Jeep Compass Limited in Jazz Blue. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, two-tone paint group, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P7070.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.